11 cars, right?
No, 10 cars.
Yeah, 10.
What was
I can zoom all the way in.
Oh, it's a pretty nice view from here.
Yeah. You've never been up here?
I do sometimes.
I think I'm here sometimes.
This is my territory.
Which is the bigger yard? Coney Island or?
Coney Island is the biggest out of all New York City subway.
Yeah. I don't think a lot of people realize that there's a second, I call it section, like a second section of this yard if you go up to like 215.
Oh, so wait.
I can't believe they still have that
Jay.
143.
So the R68A and the R58A are right on the other side of the yard?
That yard. If you want to go see it, get unlimited or no?
That
I don't have enough. I have a slow metro card.
Are you off today or?
it's back home.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is. Now that I think of it, when I walk over that bridge over there, the University Heights Bridge, I see it sometimes. I didn't even realize.
Not gonna come back out until next year, I guess, right?
Correct. The next thing that'll come out will be the R9s, and then they'll bring out the low V's.
Which is the next venture?
What? What is what?
Which is the next venture?
Oh, welcome home.
You mean the
Yeah,
one
welcome
where
home.
you don't have to pay?
Back where it belongs.
Yes, it does.
Yes.
What?
You mean just overall paying or no paying?
Yeah, paying the fee, you know.
He wants to know when the next fan trip is.
No pay or
I think it's you pay or no pay.
Just tell
Either
them
one?
Tell them no.
I'll just say no pay. No pay.
No pay trip.
Don't know.
Don't know.
What about the pay?
July.
July?
July? What
Watch
train
back.
mod?
Jay, watch
R9. R9.
It's okay, I'll find out.
From where to
It's okay if you guys don't know. I'll
Transit
find out.
Museum to Coney Island.
and then from there come back to the Transit Museum?
No, it's actually
Elvis?
What?
Why are you so videotaping? The train's gone.
I've been on the on up.
I know. I still can see half of it.
I gotta get
It's enough. I
Yeah.
think it's tough.
That's good.